People are charging you 5k to 10,000 naira just to create survey accounts for you. Just to create survey accounts for you. Because of these particular issues you keep getting, I will be using this influence survey app as an example. As you can see right here on my screen, it is showing not available. We are sorry, but we do not currently support sign up from Nigerian. Because of this reason, you go ahead and pay and get accounts. Even if you have other survey app that will even ask you to turn on your location before you access the app, you still go ahead and pay without the person teaching you this. So pay no more, because in this particular video I'm going to share the secret to you guys so that you can participate even on this influence survey app or other survey app that asks you to turn on your location before you have access to the app or site. So if you are new to my channel, I am Treasure. What I share here on this my channel is all about app tutorials, earning apps where you can earn just by completing simple online tasks with your phone, with your internet connection, with no investment required. Okay, all you have to do is to watch this video from beginning to the very end without you skipping any part, because all of them is very important. Okay, now as I'm sharing this secret to you, all I need from you is just your support. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon so that whenever I drop new videos, you will not miss out. YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and get value from it. Okay, so let's dive into our main video. So watch this now and learn how to change your phone location to any country of your choice. But before then, what is location changer? Location changer lets your phone report a different location that where you actually are. For example, this is how it functions. It changes your GPS location to any city or country that you choose, and also text location based app without physical traveling. Okay, so it access region specific features in some apps that are available only in certain countries. So what location changer means is, for example, now if you want to create account on this influence app, they will ask you to change to turn on your location, and when you turn on your location, it is going to detect either Nigerian or any country that you are from. So but what they need is, as you can see right here on my screen, they need United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, and so on. So how do you bypass this enable location? This is what you are going to do. Click on close. Remember, you are going to download this app, influence app, or any survey site that you are using. Once they ask you to turn on your location, then you are going to apply these settings and it will work. Okay, so let's say we want to create new account now. Then you click on start earning and click on continue. Then you put your first name, your last name, date, month and year, right? Then you are going to turn on your location. They say you should turn on your location. My location is on. Then you click on enable location. You are going to see it is going to dictate, are you seeing it? I'm from Nigeria. Although my VPN is on. My VPN is connected. Let's see, are you seeing it? It is connected but still showing I'm from Nigeria because your location is on. This is what you are going to do for you to bypass it. Click on settings, start earning. When you click on start earning now, this is what you are going to do. Just go to your Play Store and search for location changer. So go to Play Store and search for location changer. Okay, I'm not saying that these settings will work for everybody, but at least 95% of you guys watching this video, once you follow these simple steps I'm sharing with us, it is going to work. Then search for location changer. Search for it. Then this particular one, click on it and download. Then after downloading it, you click on open. Okay, don't skip this video because all of them is very important. Okay, because most of you are paying just to get an account, even local and so on. They will ask you to turn on your location. Because of that, you are going to pay in order to get an account. This is what you are going to do now. Once you on your location changer, then this search bar now, You are going to type in the country name of your choice. As you can see, it is showing am from Nigeria. Are you seeing it? It is showing am from Nigeria here. So this search bar now, you are going to type either UK, US, Canada, whichever country you want to use, depending on the platform. If they ask you this particular survey, is this country that is accepted, all you have to do is to come here, search for it and follow this simple step. So assuming I want to use United Kingdom account, I will select United Kingdom. So I want to connect to United Kingdom so that my location will be showing UK while I'm in Nigeria. Do you understand? That is fake location for you. Now you search the country you want, anyone, then you click on start here and click on show reg ads. It is going to display some ads, okay? I used to just use my normal apps, but now I charge them rent. Every time I'm just scrolling. Just swap my points for things that I actually buy anyway. This is literally. After watching this small ads here, you click on close. Okay. As you can see, it is connected to UK. Are you seeing it? It is connected to UK. This is another settings you are going to do. Go to your settings. Okay. Go to your settings. Click on my phone. Then you scroll down and look for build number. Where is it? This is build number. Click on it 7 times. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They will ask you to put your password. Now I'm going to put my password. Let me put my password. Then you click on continue. As you can see, you are now a developer. This is the first settings. Done. Then we are going to come back to settings again and search for mock location. Okay, mock location. Click on search. Then you click on mock location here. Okay, click on it. When you click on it, you scroll down. This place you are seeing select mock location app. You are going to click on it, mock location app. Click on it. Then you are going to click on location changer. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it now, you are done. Now come back to location changer and click on start. Click on show red ads again. It is going to display some ads. Let me reduce this volume. So after watching, you click on close. As you can see, we are now connected to UK while we are in Nigeria. So how do you confirm if you are in UK now? Go to your Chrome browser. Go to your Chrome. Okay. Go to your Chrome browser and search for what is my IP address. Click on what is my IP address. Then you click on it to search. So guys, as you can see, let's check. You can refresh the page for you to confirm. Then you scroll down. As you can see guys, we are connected to UK. Are you seeing it? Why our location is on? Let's check if our location is on. Are you seeing it? Our location is on and we are connected to UK. And how do you know if this is real? Go to your proxy or VPN and check the same IP address to confirm. So let me go to my VPN now. As you can see, this is the IP address 86 dot. Let's check 173.203.92. Are you seeing it, guys? We are connected to UK while we are in Nigeria, and this is fake location for you. Now let's go to inference app. Let's say we want to create an account. Let's go to it. So let's know. Click on start earning. Click on continue, and let me say you have inserted your name here, your last name and whatever. Then you click on enable location. Let's check if it is going to dictate again. Click on enable location. Guys, as you can see, are you seeing the magic? We are connected to UK while our location is on. Are you seeing it? It is working. Stop paying to get an account, guys. As you can see, this is UK. Okay, all you have to do is just to put your name, your last name, whatever, and click on continue and create your account smoothly. That is how you change your location to any country of your choice. So guys, if you have watched this video to this end, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for you not to miss my next video, and turn on your bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.